What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a beautiful McLaren 720S, absolutely futuristic looking car, super fast, very rare. It's got a really cool color too. Today we're going to talk about some of the features on this car and some of the work that we have done on it. This car came in for the safety inspection, and then we did find a couple of issues that we did repair. It's got the very futuristic doors. One of the issues on the 720S is the shocks that over time it wears out and it weakens itself, and then the door doesn't hold up properly. So what we did was replace the whole shock assembly OEM from McLaren. And as well as this car had the full vehicle inspection, did a full maintenance, and as well as did the oil change and did the safety as well. We did a full interior detail on this thing too, as well as the exterior polish. One of the other cool features this thing has, it's got the track display. So what that does is, originally it would be in the open position, and if you're going into a track, just to focus on the main track stuff like the RPM and the speed, so it minimizes everything. It's got a lot less screen and less buttons. It's more track orientated, and the visibility is amazing. Like the doors, if you see the doors going up, it's got a little sunroof attached with the door. It's very futuristic on this. The seats are pretty comfortable too, actually. It's pretty nice. But more excitingly, I want to see how this thing sounds. Let's start it up. This 720S, let me ask you this. If you ever get locked out, do you know how to open it if your keys got locked out? So let me show you. The 720S has a very cool feature. All you have to do is slide this back key fob, just like that, and then inside of it there's a little mini key, and that key, there's a keyhole that's underneath the car, which is directly underneath the driver's seat, and that's how you can get in the vehicle in case your battery dies or you can't open the doors. That's a manual way from McLaren for the 720S. Let's talk about the 720S. What makes it a supercar and a monster. This thing's got 710 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Man, this thing is super fast, super aggressive looking. It's got the full aerodynamic kit on it, as well as very, very nice looking futuristic car. I think one of the favorite McLarens that I like. For all your vehicle needs, visit us at Roll GT Auto at 1180 Britannia Road East in Mississauga. And if you like these cool contents, follow us, subscribe on our channel on YouTube. We'll bring you a lot more of these high-end vehicles. Visit us at Roll GT Auto at 1180 Britannia Road East in Mississauga. Subscribe to our channel for some cool content, and see you till next time.